So today I'm going to continue the second part of the rotation. In the last video, I have talked about the rotation techniques corresponding to insertion of a element in avial search tree. So we discussed the LL rotation, RR rotation, LR rotation, and RL rotation. So four type of rotation techniques we have discussed so far. Today I am going to talk about the deletion operation in avial search tree and corresponding to deletion operation, the rotation techniques to make balance again. So we have six techniques: L0, L1, L minus 1, and R0, R1, R minus 1. So now, firstly, how we perform rotation. How we perform rotation. So deletion operation is similar to binary search tree, and if tree become imbalanced after deletion, then we perform rotation. So just like in insertion operation, we deletion operation is similar to binary search tree, and if tree is imbalanced, then we apply two type of rotation: L rotation and R rotation. Okay. L rotation means if node is to be deleted in the left subtree of a specific node A, then we will say L rotation. And if we are going to delete a node in the right subtree of this specific node A, then we say R rotation. And suppose if we have a node X in the right subtree of this specific node A, and we want to delete this node X, then we will see we will see what is the balance factor, what is the balance factor of the left child of the A. That is, we can say we identify we identify node B, we identify a node B which will be the root node of the left subtree. यदि नोड हमारा राइट सब ट्री में है ए के, तो जो ए का लेफ्ट सब ट्री है उसका जो रूट नोड है दैट विल बी द नोड बी, या हम कहें ए का जो लेफ्ट चाइल्ड है दैट विल बी नोड बी. तो यदि नोड जिसको डिलीट कर रहे हैं राइट सब ट्री में है, तो जाहिर सी बात है जो रोटेशन होगा, वो क्या होगा? आर रोटेशन होगा. लेकिन ये जो नोड बी हमने आइडेंटिफाई किया, इसका बैलेंस फैक्टर यदि जीरो है तो हम बोलेंगे आर जीरो रोटेशन. वन है तो आर वन रोटेशन, एंड माइनस वन है तो आर माइनस वन रोटेशन. And we will discuss all these rotation technique, but here you should note that this R0 and R1 rotation is identical to LL rotation, we have discussed already, and R minus 1 rotation is identical to LR rotation. Similarly, if this node X is in the left subtree of this specific node A, then the right child will be node B. Okay. And according to the balance factor of this node B, if balance factor is 0, then L0 rotation, 1, then L1 rotation, and minus 1, then we will say L minus 1 rotation. And again, this L0 and L minus 1 rotation is equivalent to, identical to RR rotation, and L1 is equivalent to RL rotation. So we will see. Now you can see here, this is the balanced AVL search tree. All the balance factor are as desired. After deleting a node X, after deleting a node X, you can see the height of this AR become H minus 1, and the balance factor of this node become plus 2, which is not required. So we need rotation. Tree become imbalanced, so we need rotation. And then we apply, if basically this node has been deleted in the right subtree of this node A, that's why we apply R rotation. And the balance factor of the left child, that is B, is 0, so R0 rotation. I would like to remind you, जहाँ पे डिलीशन होता है उससे हम मूव करते हैं, और जो नियरेस्ट एंसेस्टर होता है जिसका बैलेंस फैक्टर 0, 1 या -1 नहीं होता है, वो नोड होता है क्रिटिकल नोड, स्पेसिफिक नोड ए। ओके, तो ये जो स्पेसिफिक नोड या क्रिटिकल नोड ए आइडेंटिफाई हुआ है, ये डिलीशन के बाद हमने मूव किया है तब ये आइडेंटिफाई हुआ है। सो आर रोटेशन टेक्निक हम अप्लाई करेंगे। तो आर रोटेशन टेक्निक इज आइडेंटिकल टू एल एल। सो यू नो दैट इन एल एल रोटेशन व्हाट वी डू, this node B become the root node and A become the right child. So B become root, A become right child. No change in its right subtree, no change in its right subtree. And now the right child of B will become the left subtree of A. So this is R0 rotation and it is equivalent to LL rotation. Okay. So just keep in mind this R rotation is equivalent to LL rotation. Take an example here. This example we can take. Now, this is the AVL search tree. We are deleting this node 60. After deletion of the 60, we are computing balance factor again, and you can see this node is balance factor, having balance factor plus 2. So we are moving from this inserted node to root. This is the nearest ancestor जिसका balance factor 0, 1 या -1 नहीं है. So we apply rotation technique. Rotation technique, which one we will apply? It is in the right side of A, so R rotation, and the balance factor of the left child node B is 0, so R0 rotation. And this B become root node and A become the right child. B become root, 46A become right child. Its right subtree of A, no change. Left subtree of B, no change. And the right subtree of B will become left subtree of A. So this 23, 24 become left subtree of A. So this is R0 rotation. Now, R1 rotation is again equivalent to similar, it is similar to R0 rotation. So, and identical to LL. You can see here, we are deleting balance factor plus 2. All the explanation are same as previous. Here, balance factor of B is plus 1. So, we will say R1 rotation. And the R1 rotation is, again, you can see same. Right? This B become root and A become right child. No change in right subtree. BR, that is right subtree of B, will become left subtree of A. Again, you can see this example. We are deleting 39. After deletion of 39, balance factor of this node plus 2. A will become specific node A. This node B, left child, balance factor plus 1. Rotation technique R1. This B become root and no change will be here. So 26 root, no change here. A become the right child, that is 37 become right child, no change in the right subtree of A. Same here. Right subtree of B will become left subtree of A. So this 28 become left subtree of A. Okay. Now R minus 1 rotation, it is identical to LR. So we are deleting here. This node is deleted here. Here balance factor is minus 1. So that's why we will say R minus 1 rotation. And R minus 1 rotation is equivalent to LR rotation. So that's why this C will go to A, C will go to A, B and its left subtree no change, A become right subchild, no change in its right subtree, left subtree of C become right subtree of B, and right subtree of C will become left subtree of A. So Cl, that is left subtree of C, become right subtree of B, and the Cr, right subtree of C, become left subtree of A. You can see the example. This is the balance tree. You can see it is balanced. Deleting 52, this one, after deletion, balance factor plus 2. Here, the balance factor of B is minus 1. So that's why R minus 1 rotation. So we will identify C also, A. So C become the right child of B. This C is right child of C. Sorry, this C is right subtree of B. Now, this C will become the root. So C will move to A, B will be same, C will be, you can see here 28, and this 44 will become the right child. So 44 become right child. Okay. Now 48 right subtree of A, no change. Left child of C become right child of B, 23, and right child of C, 29, become left child of A. So this is the R minus 1 rotation. Similarly, all L0, L1 and L minus 1 are similar to, as I said, is similar to this one, that is L0 and L minus 1 is similar to RR and L1 is similar to RL. So in this way, we apply the rotation technique and we make balance. So this is all about AVL search tree rotation. In the next lecture, I will discuss issues in the AVL search tree and the solution, that is B tree. So enough for today. Thank you.